A car traveling on Interstate 270 was involved in an accident. To approximate the speed of the car at the time of the accident, the police used the function s equals the square root of 30 times 0.6 d, where s is the speed in miles per hour and d is the length of the skid mark in feet. The driver said he was traveling at 40 miles per hour. What should be the length of the skid mark? Well, first of all, we have to decide, where do I plug 40 in? Do I plug 40 in for D or S? So we first have to look at what's written after 40. It says miles per hour. Does speed have miles per hour written after it, or does D have miles per hour written after it? As we look in the sentence above, speed has miles per hour written after it. So I'm going to replace S with 40. So I changed my equation to 40 equals the square root of 30 times 0.6d. Now remember, the square root symbol can also be written another way. The square root symbol can be written as parentheses to the 1/2, the exponent 1/2. So now I rewrote the equation. 40 equals 30 times 0.6d to the 1/2. Next, I know I need to get rid of the square root of 1/2. So, to get rid of the square root, I place brackets on each side of the equation, and I take the reciprocal of the exponent of 1/2. The reciprocal of 1/2 is 2. So now my new equation is the quantity 40 squared equals the quantity 30 times 0.6d raised to the quantity 1/2 quantity squared. What happens to the 1/2 and the 2? It cancels out. What is 40 squared? 40 squared is 16,000. What is 30 times 0.6? Since the exponents cancel out, 30 times 0.6 is 18, 18d. What do I do next? I divide by 18, and I have 88.89 feet is the distance of the skid mark. I can also do it on my calculator by placing it into my calculator. 30 times 0.6, enter, I get 18, then I take 1600 divided by 18, and I receive 88.888.